Have you ever just needed a little something crunchy and sweet, but you didn't want to wreck your progress? I've got you. This coconut macadamia crunch toffee is low carb. It is ridiculously easy and totally guilt-free. And we're talking a creamy toffee, some rich dark chocolate, toasted coconut sprinkled in, and a little pop of strawberry to make it feel fancy without all the sugar. So let me show you how you can treat yourself and stay on track. All right, we're gonna make some keto brittle. We're going to need a cup of allulose and a cup of butter. You wanna keep your eye on the mixture so it doesn't separate. So we're gonna continue to stir it. So here I have a loaf pan lined with some parchment. I have roughly chopped up some macadamias. This is about a quarter to half cup here. I have about a quarter cup of coconut flakes. You can toast them if you want a deeper flavor. And then I have some freeze-dried strawberries. These are left over and I'm just crushing the bag so that they're smaller pieces. And then I'm going to use some of this extreme dark chocolate on top. This is 88% cocoa. You want to use something over 80%. What you will also need for this is a candy thermometer. So something that goes up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use chocolate chips for this. I didn't have any on hand, so I'm just using what I have on hand. All right, let's see where we are. I'm gonna give it about another minute or so. I've turned the heat up to medium. All right, this is quite hot. I think we are there. So here's where you want to work a little bit quickly. I'm going to put the macadamia nuts on the bottom. I'm going to spread them out a bit. I'm gonna pour the brittle carefully. Do not lick the spoon. You will burn your lips off. Let it sit for a little bit. And then we're gonna put the chocolate on top. Okay, we're gonna add the coconut. And we need to let this firm up a little bit more before we add the chocolate. All right, so our brittle is ready. We are going to cut it into some pieces. See, that was so easy and it totally hits the spot, right? So if you are looking for more ways to satisfy your sweet tooth without sabotaging your goals, make sure you hit that button and subscribe because I've got plenty more where this came from. And don't forget to share this with a friend who needs a little low carb inspiration today. So you've got this. I am cheering for you every step of the way.